Okay guys, well done. So today we're having a really exciting lesson. We've been learning about art installations all across the world. And today we're focusing on a particular artist called Tsai Guo Chang. And he's particularly known for his explosive art, using explosions and of that sort. And the children are looking at scale and space. So they're making 3D models, which they're going to completely paint and have explosions of powder paint and stuff like that, and they're going to be using some stencils, and then we're going to take a photograph of their installations to focus on scale. So we're going to zoom right away in, so it looks like their space is a massive space, and we're going to imagine what is it like in that space, what's the atmosphere like, is it scary, is it warm, is it welcome, is it inviting? So you can see a lot going on, but yeah, so a lot of explosions, lots of fun, and hopefully they'll be able to talk to you about scale and space afterwards.
We made explosive art by blowing the paint to the box.